Two things will be taught to you today: Karakas and Marana Karak Sthanas, MKS. To understand MKS, you have to understand the Karaka. A very different explanation of a Karaka. You will enjoy it, you will love it. New concepts of Jyotish will come in your mind. Lot of people know that there is a certain planet which is in the Maran Karan Sthana, but nobody knows how that planet is going to affect you. ये problem है. I will teach you कि वो कैसे affect करेगा, क्या चीज खराब करेगा आपकी. And we'll do it with various charts also. I'll take up the examples of various charts. Because a lot of people know that, oh, Jupiter in the third house is in MKS, Maran Karak Sthana. But what is that? वो नुकसान क्या कर रहा है? Nobody knows it. 99% people are saying, okay, it is for bad for marriage, this. No. There is a formula, there is a way through which we understand that what kind of loss that particular planet will give you. That is what I'm going to teach you today. But to understand the Marana Karak Sthana of a Graha, you need to understand the Karaka first. You see, ladies and gentlemen, the word Karaka has come from a Sanskrit word Kara. The meaning of the Kara means to do. And Karaka is also known as the project manager. I am going to teach you Jyotish at a different level today. After this lecture, you will speak one language which you have never spoken before. Never spoken before. Never. Karakas are not of the sign, but they are of houses. याद रखिएगा, कारक जो है वो साइन का कारक नहीं होता है. साइन, किसी साइन का कोई प्रोजेक्ट मैनेजर नहीं होता है, घर का होता है, भाव का होता है. प्रथम भाव, भावा मीन्स एक्सप्रेशन. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Sun is the Karaka of the first house. Jupiter is the Karaka of the second house. Mars is the Karaka of the third house. Moon, and to an extent Venus also for the fourth house, but Moon, primarily Moon. The secondary Karaka is Venus. For fifth again it is Jupiter. Sixth is Saturn. Seventh it is Venus. Eighth it is Saturn. Ninth it is Jupiter. 10th it is Mercury. 11th it is Jupiter. And 12th is Saturn. So what you have learned today is that you have bhavas, and bhavas are related to grahas. You see, Sun is the king of all the planets, and he wanted to be the project manager of the first house. He loves, he says, you know, being a sun, what will I give to a planet sitting in the first house? I will give him immunity. I will give him health. I will give him happiness. I will give him confidence. But if you have Rahu sitting there, and Rahu is enemy of Sun, so he will take it from Sun and utilize it in a wrong way. That is how the problems come. How many of you have seen people having Rahu in the Lagna are overconfident people, and they have lost certain things in overconfidence? Rahu in the Lagna. And if you are not overconfident, then you must be having any good drishti of Brihaspati, or maybe a good planet who is trying to protect you from that. But Rahu, whenever you will make a mistake in your life, whenever, you will always make a mistake in your life because of your overconfidence. You have Mars in the Lagna. Now you are overflowing with confidence and aggression. Because one, there is energy of Surya. सूर्य भाव है, उसमें मंगल आ गया, अग्नि के ऊपर अग्नि आ गई, टेम्परामेंट इश्यूज आ जाते हैं. So there's a good side of every bhava and there's a negative side of every bhava. Negative side of every bhava as well. Surya wanted the first house. Jupiter wanted the second house. See, Jupiter says, I will give family and I will give dhana, wealth to everyone. So I'll take up the project of the second house. जिसका बृहस्पति 6, 8, 12 में बैठा हो, सबसे पहली चीज सुबह उठ के मीठा खाना चाहिए, थोड़ा सा, इतना सा खाओ, मे भी चावल के दाने जितना. तीसरे भाव में जो ग्रह बैठा है वो मंगल भाव है. मंगल क्या है? लड़ाई, पराक्रम. वो जो किलिंग इंस्टिंक्ट होती है ना किसी के अंदर कुछ कर गुजरने की, किलिंग इंस्टिंक्ट, ये नए नए वर्ड्स कलयुग में यूज किए गए, किलिंग इंस्टिंक्ट. आई हेट सच वर्ड्स. Third house, Mangal loves that killing instinct, he wants to kill things. He wants to move ahead. चतुर्थ भाव में नरिशमेंट है. दुनिया की जितनी दवाइयां हैं वो सारी सूर्य है, और उन दवाइयों से जो केयर मिलती है वो चंद्र है. चंद्रमा के साथ शनि का संबंध इंसान को डॉक्टर बना देता है. आई हैव सीन फैंटास्टिक डॉक्टर्स विल हैव a good conjunction or aspect of Chandra and Shani, mutual combination of Shani. शनि क्या है? शनि पेशेंट है, बीमारी है, और चंद्रमा क्योर है. क्योर और बीमारी एक साथ किसके पास होती है? डॉक्टर के पास होती है, याद रखिएगा. सो अगर चंद्रमा 6, 8, 12 में होगा, आप डॉक्टर हैं चाहे नहीं है, आप लोगों को ठीक करेंगे, हील करेंगे, मेडिसिन देंगे, किसी भी तरह से करेंगे. ये देखो डॉक्टर साहब ने लिखा, डॉक्टर श्री आई हैव चंद्र इन द 6th, आई एम अ डॉक्टर. मैंने 1000 डॉक्टर देखे हैं चंद्र इन द 6th हाउस.